Hello, I'm Dr. Alginate, and we're continuing our series of short videos on alginate and life casting called Alginate for Everybody. Let me start at the beginning. There are two basic types of alginate molds, the bucket mold and the layup mold. This video will be on the bucket mold. I'll cover the layup mold in my next video. A hand cast is a perfect example of a bucket mold. The alginate is mixed and placed into a container. The hand is pushed down into the alginate and left there until the alginate sets. The hand is removed from the alginate, leaving a hole exactly the same shape as the hand. The rigidness of the bucket keeps the alginate in its original shape, so there is very little distortion of the mold. The casting material is poured into the mold to produce the finished life cast. When doing a bucket mold, you should choose an alginate that flows quite easily so it gets in between the fingers, around the fingernails, and in the wrinkles of the hand while trapping as few air bubbles as possible. Most alginate manufacturers make one or two alginates. Accucast makes 11 retail formulas specifically fine-tuned to various types of jobs, including several that are ideal for bucket molds. For baby, hand, and foot casts, we recommend our 380cc color-changing alginate mixed with 95-degree water. This is so close to baby skin temperature that most babies won't even notice when you slide their hand in. Bucket molds can be very small, as in the case of baby foot or hand casts, or very, very large. We have done group hand casting jobs with as many as 15 hands in a single sculpture. The bucket itself can be made of just about anything. You can cut the top off a half-gallon milk carton or a 2-liter soda bottle. You can use Tupperware or even make a large one out of 3/4-inch plywood and drywall screws. Make sure that the hand or hands can fit comfortably inside the bucket without touching either the sides or the bottom. Big jobs require a slower setting alginate than small ones. Mixing large quantities of alginate just takes more time. Accucast makes bucket molding alginates with setting times between 3 and 5 minutes. I'll cover the specifics about our alginate formulas and their recommended uses in an upcoming video. That's it, really. The rules are, number 1, big jobs require more time, so you need a longer setting alginate. Number 2, bucket molds require a thinner, more liquid alginate mixture so that it can flow around the hands more easily. And 3, it's easier to work with babies if you're using a warm alginate mixture. Until next time, this is Dr. Alginate reminding you that the most important thing about life casting is to have fun with it.